Hi everyone, my name is Alma Jordan and I am the author of One Stormy Night. Some of the most unusual places that I like to read a book, or in my case listen to a book, is when I'm travelling all around Ireland and going into different schools. Sometimes I have to travel some big journeys and I love nothing more than putting on some of my favourite audiobooks and just letting my imagination take over. So no matter where you are, you can always read or enjoy a book in some way. The most important thing is that you do just that. Grab a book, read a book, and enjoy a book. Happy World Book Day. Bye.
Hi, I'm Margaret Suggs, and I'm the illustrator for the cover of One Stormy Night by Alma Jordan. And they asked me, where was my favorite place to read when I was younger? I'd have to say it was on the front porch, on a swing, with my grandmother reading to me. Here's a picture I drew of it. Where's your favorite place to read? Happy World Book Day.